Jenna and Jeremy.
In August 2020, we bought an RV.
In September 2020, we sold everything and hit the road full time.
Follow our adventures as we explore more of our incredible planet Earth.
Don't forget to press that subscribe button and turn on post notifications for weekly travel videos.
You can find us on Instagram at Quench Your Adventure. Now on to the good stuff.
All right, guys, before we get to Grand Junction, let's talk about the last video real quick. If you missed that, you'll want to check it out. 8 cool spots in Colorado, from Denver to Steamboat Springs, most notably Walden, Colorado. Check it out.
All right, time to do some paddleboarding. We got beautiful property here. Apparently Bonsai, they're building some ropes course, a zip line, maybe over the Colorado River, so that's cool. FYI, this place is called Grand Junction because it's the junction of 2 major rivers. I believe that's the Gunnison River, is it? And Colorado River, of course. So check out this area. This is their setup here. Got a bunch of big old paddle boards. It's gonna be a good time. Grand Junction, Colorado, so let's go. All right, time to get floating here. Let's go. We're going up. This is a heck of a hike. Different than I've done before. Being at that first section, it's like it's all washed from rainwater that it just flattens. So you're just straight, like calf stretches all the way. And there's not a lot of grip because it's mostly like loose dirt, sand, gravel. And had a nice little flat section there, but I can kiss that goodbye. It's time to climb another 1,000 feet. See if we can do it before 8, make it down before it's dark. Good morning, guys. We are here at the Palisade Basecamp RV Resort in Palisade, Colorado. I am geared up. I got my bike on the other side there. I'm ready to go ride the Palisade Rim Trail. There's the RV, bunch of beautiful rigs here. The mountains are just awesome, and I'm pretty sure this trail I'm about to ride goes up there. So hopefully the views looking back down are amazing, and the Colorado River runs right down there. So let's go on a little adventure.
Real quick, take a look at these sweet little cabins they have on site here. Great place to stay if you're not an RVer but want a more unique accommodation. And the town of Palisade here, just east of Grand Junction, really nice location and a great spot for a bunch of different types of recreation here.
So if it wasn't enough, the Palisade Basecamp RV Resort has cherry trees, rows of cherry trees and peach trees on the property. It is directly next to one of many wineries here in Palisade, Colorado. All right, Palisade Rim. Let's check it out. I think we're above sea level. Man, that's so cool. Following the river down, cuts this canyon and then opens up down here. Here, I'll show you what it looks like with the bike next to it. So you land down here. Woo-hoo-hoo. So I'm a lot higher now. I've got the camera in linear mode, meaning there's no chromatic aberration or the wide lens that the GoPro does. So if you look down there, north side of that river, you see all those greenhouses again I pointed out, and I can actually see the RV. I am even higher now. way up along the rim. And check this out. Kind of sketchy because these rocks are pretty shaly, like they could break. But that view right there is insane. Holy cow, that is a freaking drop. Oh my gosh. Holy God, whoa.
Just a few miles west of Grand Junction is the Colorado National Monument, which sees between 300 and 400,000 annual visitors. But this is just a quarter of the over 1.5 million visitors that Arches National Park sees, which is just 2 hours southwest of here in Moab, Utah. In the Colorado National Monument, you can take the 23-mile Rimrock Drive through the park and through 3 tunnels with clearance of only around 10.5 feet near the edges, so careful in those big rigs. We had a rental car at the time, so that helped out quite a bit. From the road or any of the 14 hiking trails, you might see some wildlife, so keep your eyes sharp.
Did you hear that? Look at the sign. Echo, echo, echo. Shout out a quick hello across the canyon.
Hello! You shall not pass!
That's creepy.
As an outsider who hadn't spent much time in Colorado before this trip, I really appreciated the diversity here and the fact that there's beautiful huge mountains with tons of precipitation and snow to go skiing, and yet a few hours down the mountains you have this beautiful desert red rock landscape.
Dang, look at that. You're rappelling without a harness. You're crazy. Looks so sick.
All right, guys, that about wraps up our time in and around Grand Junction, Colorado, but I have a couple nearby honorable mentions. Just under 2 hours east and up the mountain from Grand Junction, we have Eagle, Colorado, really nice community with a great mountain biking scene. Some of the flowiest flow trails I've ridden outside of an actual bike park. And about a half hour closer to Grand Junction, we have Glenwood Springs, also a great spot to ride a mountain bike.
All right, made it to the top of the Red Mountain Trail system here in Glenwood Springs, Colorado.
and it's wicked. I'm at one of the viewpoints up top. Oh, a little chipmunk. Probably won't be able to see him. But anyway, check out this view. So right now, Jenna's sleeping in the RV down there. Beautiful Roaring Fork River that is right here. And then maybe that's the Colorado River that they meet here, I think. Wow, oh, I swam down there last night. That's the bridge, and we were parked right by the high school. And then coming this way, I mean, boom, big old snow-capped mountain. And not far over there is Aspen, Snowmass, that area. And then heading south over there is Carbondale. Man, there's stuff moving all in these bushes. Holy smokes, look at these flowers. Wow. All right, hold on. These are gorgeous. And that view, oh my gosh.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment if you have one, hit the bell for post notifications and more weekly travel videos.